Hey everyone! Have you ever had a video or images that looks blurry, grainy, or just not as smooth as you'd like? Well, what if I told you that you can transform those low-quality clips and images into stunning 4K or even 8K effortlessly? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enhance video quality, remove noise, and boost frame rates using Wondershare UniConverter. You'll be amazed at the before and after results, so stick around. First things first, you'll need to download and install Wondershare UniConverter. You can find the link in the description below. Simply click the link, download the installer, and follow the easy installation steps. Once the installation is complete, launch UniConverter and you'll be greeted with a clean and intuitive interface featuring various powerful tools. Now, let's jump straight into enhancing our videos. We'll be using the Video Enhancer tool in UniConverter. You'll see 4 different AI-powered models to choose from. Video Enhancement model enhances overall video quality with a single click. Denoiser model reduces noise in grainy or low-light videos for a cleaner look. Video Upscaler upscales your video's resolution up to 8K. Frame Interpolation increases low frame rates up to 240 FPS for ultra-smooth playback. Click on Add Files and select the video you want to enhance. If your video lacks sharpness, the Video Enhancement model will enhance clarity in just one click. Select Video Enhancement. Click Export. And the AI will improve details instantly. See the difference? The video is now much clearer and more refined. If your footage has a lot of noise, the denoiser model will clean it up beautifully. Select the denoiser model, click Export and let the AI work its magic. Check out the before and after. Notice how much cleaner and sharper the video looks? This is a game changer for low light or old footage. Want to turn low-resolution videos into high-definition masterpieces? The Video Upscaler model does just that. Select Video Upscaler, click Export, and let the AI upscale your footage. The transformation from pixelated to crisp high definition is mind-blowing. If your video looks choppy, the Frame Interpolation model can increase frame rates up to 4 times, 100 FPS. Select Frame Interpolation, click Export and watch your video become buttery smooth. This feature is perfect for slow-motion clips, gaming videos, or cinematic footage. Not only can UniConverter enhance videos, but it also comes with an AI image enhancer to improve your photos with 6 different models. Auto Enhancer automatically improves image quality. Face Enhancer enhances facial details for clearer portraits. Color Correction adjusts colors for a more vibrant look. Old Photo Colorizer adds color to black and white photos. Old Photo Restore repairs and restores old damaged images. Image Upscaler upscales images for better resolution. Let's try the Auto Enhancer. Import your photo. Choose the Auto Enhancer model. Click Export and see the results. Now, let's test the Face Enhancer. Upload your photo. Select the Face Enhancer model. Click Export and done. Check out the difference. The Old Photo Colorizer in UniConverter uses AI to add natural colors to black and white photos, bringing them to life with realistic tones and enhanced details effortlessly. You can experiment with all the other models one by one to see how they transform your images. Once you've applied all these enhancements, you can save the final video and images in your desired format. And that's it. We used Wondershare UniConverter's powerful AI tools to checkmark, remove noise from grainy videos, sharpen blurry footage, upscale videos to 4K or 8K, increase frame rates for ultra-smooth playback, enhance images with AI-powered tools. If you want to take your video and image quality to the next level, Wondershare UniConverter is a must-have tool. Download it now using the link in the description. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more awesome content. Let me know in the comments which feature you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.